Thank you for visiting the Lakeside Yard Services YouTube channel. For this video, we are working with clients in the Windsor at Walhalla here in Walhalla, South Carolina. The clients had just built a brand new garage and they hired a pool company to install an in-ground pool, which was to run parallel with the rear of the garage. However, when the excavation crew showed up, they were told the clients that it was not possible. The pool would have to run perpendicular and that they would need multiple retaining walls as well as lots of backfill. Well, the clients were pretty upset. They didn't budget for those type of additional costs. So they went ahead and gave us a call. We came out, looked at the site, gave them a proposal, and they went ahead and hired us to do the work. So we came in, we excavated the site, we dug out all the banks, we used all of that dirt to run and grade it parallel behind the garage. We 45'd the banks, we packed them, and then we created slope away from where the pool would be and installed the dry creek for both the water runoff for the 45-degree slope and the earth slope from where the pool would be. When we were done, they had the company come back out. They said, okay, they installed the pool, and then we came back out to finish the project. We put down woven fabric all around, black premium mulch. We installed a catch basin for the backwash on the pool, and then we did a river rock dry creek. And then we carried that black mulch up around between the garage and the house and up to the main road. So if you find yourself in a predicament like that, or if you're looking for a project such as this, please give us a call at 864-916-2018. Thank you very much.